Line a pan with aluminum foil. When I first heard about this trick, I couldn't believe it actually worked. But it has saved me both time and money. Start by covering the entire bottom and sides of the pan with foil to create a protective layer. Then, take a few small pieces of foil, shape them into balls about the size of a walnut, and place them in the pan. Fill the pan with water, cover it with a lid, and bring it to a boil. Now gather your tarnished cutlery with stubborn stains and water spots and drop them into the boiling water. Next, take a dishwasher tablet and only use its liquid part. Add a little vinegar, which helps dissolve buildup and has antibacterial properties. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to enhance the cleaning process and remove tough stains. Let everything boil for about 10 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Afterward, pour the water out and rinse the cutlery thoroughly under running water. Finally, dry them with a clean cloth, and that's it. Your cutlery will shine like new, completely free of stains, residue, and water spots.